Welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you join us today for an extraordinary exploration of the CASIO G-SHOCK Mudmaster GWG-2000-1A1. Prepare yourself for an immersive journey as we dive deep into the remarkable features and craftsmanship of this exceptional timepiece. First, we'll start by opening the box and revealing its contents. Witness the anticipation and excitement as we carefully unveil the rugged and robust CASIO G-SHOCK Mudmaster. Meanwhile, while watching this part of the video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. The stainless steel case of this CASIO Mudmaster is a testament to durability and strength. Crafted with precision, it offers superb protection for the intricate mechanisms within. Paired with a polymer strap, this watch strikes the perfect balance between toughness and comfort, ensuring it can withstand any adventure you embark on. However, the beauty of this CASIO Mudmaster lies not only in its exterior aesthetics but also in its exceptional specifications. The sapphire crystal glass, renowned for its scratch-resistant properties, safeguards the dial, ensuring clarity and legibility even in the harshest conditions. It's a testament to CASIO's commitment to providing a timepiece that can handle the rigors of an active lifestyle. Speaking of toughness, this CASIO Mudmaster is built to withstand the most challenging environments. Its shock-resistant construction allows it to absorb heavy impacts, ensuring reliable operation in demanding situations. Additionally, its ability to function flawlessly in low temperatures makes it a trusted companion in extreme climates. One of the standout features of this timepiece is its solar charging capability. Harnessing the power of the sun, this CASIO Mudmaster keeps ticking without the need for frequent battery replacements. This not only saves you time and money but also contributes to a more sustainable lifestyle. The energy-saving function further enhances its longevity, ensuring it won't let you down when you need it most. But that's just the beginning of what this remarkable watch has to offer. Equipped with Bluetooth 4.0 connectivity, this CASIO Mudmaster seamlessly connects to your smartphone via CASIO's G-SHOCK connected app. This opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to customize various settings, receive notifications, and even track your activity, all conveniently accessible from your wrist. This CASIO Mudmaster doesn't compromise on functionality either. Its triple sensor version 3 incorporates a digital compass, altimeter, barometer, and thermometer, providing vital information for your outdoor pursuits. Whether you're exploring remote trails or summiting a mountain peak, this watch has you covered with accurate and reliable data. Keeping track of time across different time zones is effortless with the World Time feature, while the automatic calendar, chronometer, countdown timer, and 5 alarms offer versatility and convenience in your daily life. The LED display illumination ensures excellent visibility, whether you find yourself in bright sunlight or a dimly lit environment. In summary, this CASIO Mudmaster is a pinnacle of toughness, functionality, and style. With its stainless steel case, scratch-resistant sapphire crystal glass, solar charging capability, advanced sensors, and impressive water resistance up to 20 bar, it's a timepiece built to withstand the most demanding challenges. We sincerely hope you enjoyed this in-depth exploration of this CASIO Mudmaster. It's a watch that not only exemplifies Casio's commitment to innovation and quality, but also embodies the spirit of adventure and resilience. If you found this video insightful and inspiring, we kindly invite you to subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling journey, and we look forward to having you with us again soon.